dun, sorry.
Takbo! Namo, hold southwest lang. Don't touch them. Wag muna. Ito muna yung guards, on the guards. Kill the guards. Pull the guards. Bring the guards to me.
Careful,
5, 4, 3,
backline,
2, 1. Kill the guards. Sige lang, may demon tayo. Bong.
Yung Ewe Akudong yung pangalan ng color.
Hold. Stay with me. Wait.
Ay, gago.
Kuha mo na tayo info.
Dito lang sila, dito lang sila, holding lang sila dito. Naka-mount up pa.
Click tap.
Scout tayo ng ano. Ng what command.
Dito pa sila. Dito pa yung color. Nasa harap ko.
Bong nyo nga. Bong yan.
Ino-auto pa ni Ayedo, no?
Come northeast. Ang pangit ng pwesto natin. Gusto ko kunin yung northwest. Hold southwest. Pupul ko. Kaya mag-over the wall niya, no? Use and W lang. Use and W, mag-over the wall. Yan, ha? Come west. Follow your ground. Spread on my southeast muna. Pupul ko yung guards. Okay, pulling guard. Kill this guard. Ingat, ha. Paabot kayo dyan.
May one shot
Sige lang.
Reaching to hills.
Southwest. Tsaka sa taas. Up the stairs and go in northwest. Kill the guards.
Talaga tayo.
Sige.
Baka ipitin nila tayo pa south.
Ay pala
Come southeast.
Sumisilip lang yung color nila dyan. Pero yung Zerg yan nandito pa rin sa
Pag matanggalin yung skull kay Punish. Come northeast.
Moving na sila.
Pinapunta ko sa
Going northwest sila.
Pinapunta ko northwest.
Okay.
Come northeast. I need eyes dyan sa likod kung lalabas ng southwest yung Kill the guards.
Dismounted sila sa north ng
I need
castle.
one more eye on Punish. On invade. Okay, they looking at us. Kill the guards fast.
Di na ako makalapit sa BJ sa one command. Lumayo
Sige
na.
lang, balikan na dito,
Punta
man.
ng backline mo, papunta ng backline.
Bong. Engage. Yeah. Ang ina nyo, Patingin ako dyan sa west side,
Pwede natin i-fix point yung one command.
Sige.
Ayun, sinabi ko, ibong sila northwest
Be careful of barrels. Care.
Basag na yung gate dun sa top west side.
Come southwest. Nawawala sila sa mapa ko, lalabas to dito. Come southwest.
Dito sila sa west side. Dismount.
Ina nyo,
Yeah.
bulaga.
They're fighting one command, They're tapping out southwest.
Come northwest. Nag-engage
Sarap
yan.
na, sarap mo na.
Nag-engage yan.
Yung one command pa lang nag-engage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. On me. Wipe! Shit! Go back southeast. Nice engaged. Come southeast. Sorry guys, nadala ng emosyon.
Hindi ka nila engage yun.
Kaya nilut niyo? May naglat doon?
Nasa Lord Room yung one command, Lord Room yung one.
Yeah.
May invade pa sa loob.
Sige lang. Hold. We wipe in.
May DPS pa sila, may DPS pa yung invade. May down sa
Pupul ko lang
pangalang
to. Use and W here and spread on southeast. Ha? Use and W lang.
Nasa northwest, west choke pa rin sila. West choke pa rin sila.
Sige.
Sabi ko pag nag-engage.
Kumpay sabit. Spread on my northeast.
One string away sa'yo.
Sige. Pasabi ko nag-engage na yung sila Ewe.
Hindi pa.
Di ba?
Ayaw mo kunin tong
Yung castle.
si Brawl to. And itong
Itong guard muna. Kailangan upper hand tayo. Upper hand guys.
Nag-engage yung tapping out
Sige lang,
southwest
sige lang,
engage.
sige lang,
Nasa north
sige
side mo
lang,
yung
sige
one command. Nasa north side mo yung one command.
Sige.
Nag-mount up.
One command na yung kaharap mo ngayon na.
One command.
Use and W lang, Use and W.
Oy, dismounted!
Their color is looking,
That's
Qs
one
and
command, that's one
W lang.
command.
Qs and W, Qs and W, Qs and W. Pull northeast nga. Pull northeast, pull northeast, pull northeast, pull northeast, pull northeast.
One engage lang
Northeast
yung
yung
one
guard.
command,
Pull
walang brawl.
northeast yung guard. Pull northeast yung guard. Sige, sige. Magsasoak tayo ng isa. Magsasoak. Qs and W lang. Qs and W, Qs and W.
Nag-tap out sila southwest, nag-tap out sila southwest, nag-tap out
Sige lang,
sila
sige lang.
southwest.
Kill the guard. Kill the guard. In
Binubump na,
5, 4,
binubump
3, 2, 1. Kill guard, kill guard, kill. Drop E, 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 drop E. This is fixed fight now. This is fixed fight, fixed fight. Kill the guard,
Sabi
kill
ko,
the guard,
fixed
kill the lord, kill the lord, kill the lord, kill the lord, kill the lord.
Mas nga yung ano,
Kill the lord, kill
engage
the
sa
lord. Cap,
west.
cap, 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 cap fast,
Dito
cap
na, dito
fast,
na.
cap fast, cap
Engine
fast.
up sila, engine up
Ditang
sila.
sold northwest ha, ditang sold northwest, ditang sold
Good job, good
northwest. Be careful ha, be careful. Good job guys, good job, good job.
Flip, lalabas sila.
Sige.
EDR.
And then sabi ko out sila. Kunin natin.
Ay, kilala mo yun? Ay,
Tropa ko yun eh.
kaya pala.
Lul, tumitingin sila eh.
Hindi, sabi ko ano,
Lumabas ng invade.
Uy, uy!
open world daw.
Sinabi ko, boss!
Open world.
Open na.
Ayaw.
Mamaya. Ilan ba DA nila?
Wala.
Wala ka sila.
Wala silang
Wala.
ligot.
Yan.
Hindi, pagkatapos nito, pagkatapos ng chest.
One party yata sila. Less than one, ganun.
Dito na laban.
Dito na, siege sila.
Ako binigyan.
Okay, check ko.
Ang ina sa atin na yung castle, papakawalan ko pa.
Maalis pre.
Malis.
Number daw.
Pagkatapos ng castle.
Eto, dito na sila. Mabalik.
Ilang.
Kausap mo, ay,
Sa southwest.
Papalag
Oo.
yan din.
Ayaw
Northwest
nila.
sila, northwest
Gusto nila
sila.
open world.
Bakit?
Dito sila, naka-mounted up sila dito
Bakit? May
northwest.
trauma ba yan? 10 nga lang tayo nung huli, 20 sila eh.
Yun na.
Huwag niya trash talkin na.
Yuguchi and one castle, same 15 people. We know, bro.
Same people. Ano na lang, pas-smash mo yung gate, tas yun, fight.
Wednesday Castle. Ay,
Baka mag-engage over
Yan,
there.
dito lang. Nagkaano na.
So, dito sila.
samantala yung pinto.
Open daw. Ay, no. Open castle.
Present gate,
Open castle.
We have pregnant men.
Iyak.
Natembong.
Di ka na
Notice.
mini-message ng invite, BJ.
Wala yan, tangina.
Dito sila babalik.
Di babalik yan.
LFM, ride home.
Sige lang, kahit mag-handhold sila. Ito na naman tayo eh.
Oo, yung backline ng invite kanina. Na-engage yun.
Ang ina lab trip yun eh.
Let's play outside. Sabi.
The outside.
I don't wanna. Sige. Huwag kayo magpabait. Magbabank naman eh. Nagbabank na sila eh. Tuloy-tuloy na yan.
In-open nila yung gate.
Kompleto ba? Tingnan mo nga yung mga D-tank nila kung clap kite.
One hammer.
Dito ano,
May lifer.
May horror
pero
Bros?
dito oh, God of War.
Mga ganun.
Great hammer. Walang nakikitang Horpros.
Ay gago, may kidnap yan, men. May root bound na din sila.
GG rootbound. Asa, one engage lang sila.
Predictable engagement yan. Let them bonk, let them bonk. Just chill.
Naka-miss
Yes,
Walker Jacket yung Hellfire Hands nila.
Sige lang.
Paano engage ng golem nila?
It's either W or yung ano. Pero mostly W yan.
Naka-Morgana keep.
Madalas na ginagawa.
Madalas W yan, fast engage.
Ito na, open na. Pinupulan
Ilang?
nila yung guards.
Come northwest.
Ano na ba to? Start na or wait natin sila
Ano ba to?
Hindi ko alam eh. Our colors gay.
Yan, pwede mo na ano yun eh. Pwede mo na pala. Pwede na. Puto ka mo na yun.
I-bonk na nila. Ganun din eh. Ganun din yun eh. Pupunk din nila
Hindi,
yan.
pwede mo na yan.
Already
Okay,
northwest.
game na.
They pulling.
Palagan mo na yan. Tagal nila eh.
Bait their engage. Gonna bait their engage. They're gonna try to pull us out. Just stay on southeast. Stay
Nagpupul
on
yan.
southeast.
Pupul out.
Yeah, they're gonna try to pull us out.
Wait. Yung Pico isang bar. Ano?
Ayaw, come southeast.
Tumatambay sa paddle ko yung
Southeast.
P-Funk na.
Southeast. Southeast. They're gonna pull the guards on northeast next.
May 6-year bloodletter sila.
Be careful over the wall ah.
TFB.
Yeah.
Magtotropa tong mga to eh.
May ratter eh.
Wala akong nakitang heavy miss. May nakitang heavy miss sa'yo.
Wala pa ako.
Wala nga eh. May great hammer isa.
Hammer GE lang sila eh, no?
Be careful
Oh,
of
may
GA.
GA.
You can set up with the GA. Also be careful over the wall. They can do that.
May great hammer din.
I'm gonna fake ah.
Sige, okay.
Guys. In chop northwest, I'm gonna fake. I need to sell this ah. In chop. That's fake. Go back. Dapat yung bentang-benta. Ang cute kasi ng camlan ko, mukhang Morningstar eh.
Lollipop.
Hold lang. Napatayin nila yung ano. Okay, patience lang.
Hindi nila man mapapatay yan eh.
Napatay nila yung last time.
Pinapatayin nila yung last time.
Hindi nawawala yan eh. Bumabalik lang.
Hindi, nawawala yan. Pag open yung gate.
Legit ba?
That's a fake.
Ano mo?
Tagal. Kulang kasi
Ay.
D-tank natin eh.
Paansan ako?
Oh, sige nga.
Hindi na yan sa ano,
Aye.
taka.
Poke mo lang, aye. Poke mo lang, poke.
Ay.
Keep me in your screen ah. They're looking now. They're looking
Tumitingin
here.
sa'yo eh. Tumitingin sa'yo eh.
Hey!
Hey, next spike.
They burned their inertia.
Wow.
Uy.
Come northeast. Pop northeast, pop giga northeast ah. Pop giga now, pop giga. We're gonna engage in northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast, on me. Demon, walk in. Demon and walk in. Brawl. 10 seconds. May defensive pa kayo ah. Keep going southeast. 5 seconds. Engage tayo in 5 seconds. Mag-engage yan. Defense. Go southeast now. Keep going southeast. Southeast now in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southeast. On me. On the ground. Kill this. Low na to ah. May engage na yan ah.
Engage lang, engage sila.
Be careful.
Careful stop.
Be careful. Keep pushing now.
Engage na.
Run over na. 5 seconds. Big clap in 5 seconds. We're gonna engage in 5 seconds. On the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. It's big here. It's big. Nice shit. Run over. It's over.
Meron pa yan, engaging
It's
na.
over. Big win pa. Defense. Full push. Ubus na to.
Bong.
Wala na. Tapos na guys. Wipe na lang. 5 seconds west in 5, 4, 3, and 2. East. Huwag niya patakbuhin. Nasa east. Mag-engage pa oh. Nice D.
Uy, ito sakit pa rin.
Kill. 5 seconds.
Kompleto pa dipap nila.
On the ground. Okay, keep rolling. Wala na to. Wala na. Up, tikit kayo. Kill this.
Huwag niyo palisin yung last.
Ayun.
Huwag niya palisin yung waller.
Patayin niyo yung
Yung
last.
ano?
Ikaw.
Pinamatay sa amin.
Papatay pa yan ng water.
Sino sa ride home?
May siege siya na sila.
Wait.
Napatay na ratter. Ito.
Sige lang. Loot nyo.
Wala, nalit
Check
na.
mo. Pinot. Wait na rat. Ito sa ratter oh.
Mount up.
Check
Fast. Mount up fast. Mount up fast.
Pwede na i-open natin.
Ito, may router.
Open natin yung casa. Ay, open na pala.
Okay na yung castle.
May Stella
Malaki
yung
yata to,
keeper ah. Kasama ba nila to?
From
Hindi,
southeast.
kasama ng kalaban natin yan.
Kasama ba yan
Oo,
nila? Looted na yung castle, di ba?
Di, may insurgents oh. Hodge. May insurgents Hodge. Southwest
Yeah, ako
insurgents Hodge. 60
Southeast, from southeast.
knight armor.
May
Yeah,
mga
southeast.
ako maglulot.
It's over, iwan nyo na yung castle. Wala na yan. 1 point something lang yan.
1.5.
From southeast,
Ano
guys.
yan?
Okay, kunin.
Uy, palita.
Uy.
Bayat.
Keep ko na tong potions ha.
Okay.
Pati yung cape ng Limhurst na 4.3.
Bigyan nila lang siege banner.
Gusto nila open world. Gago, ganun mangyayari sa kanila pag open world. Boy, tangina, kaya ayoko
May
eh.
na to.
Ano yan?
Dismounted si
Pag-class
Creo.
nga. Follow crowd, follow crowd. Rero.
Ay, may
Rero.
pinapatay siya. Wait, magsalita ka, Karero.
Okay na?
Yan na, pinapatay na si Carrero.
Okay na.
Nice one, Karero.
Yung Outkeeper. Nahuli
Patay na namin.
Gago, naging papel yung invade dun, boy. Ang lambot nila, ano?
Naiwan yung buong backline dun sa labas. Yun,
Tissue paper, gago.
Patay na yung Ratter o yung God of War.
Walang ditang sa likod nila. Walang ditang.
Yung southeast.
Akala ata nila, ito kakampi nila tayo.
Kampi.
Sino
Tangina,
ba
ayoko
yan?
naman. Ayoko na
Sino
may
ba yan yung
pag-handle
likod eh?
kahit kanino, men. Tangina. Last na yung handle na yung sa Pierce dati. Kung na-engagean natin yung Pierce dati dahil sa handle, tangina, wala eh. Patay na dapat yun. 1v1 na lang with Solo King yun. Trauma ako sa ganun, sa handle na yan.
GG's.
Good fight.
Sa ano lang din yan.
Bitin. Parang hindi last city po ngayon. Parang bibitin ako.
Heavy.
Bod.
Para maganda mag 12 UTC. Ano
Medyo.
ba yun? Dami
Wala.
dami tong bod.
GG's.
Di ako pwede 12.